In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. I'll create a simple 3D scene as a reference image for the AI. This process is optional, but we're providing a reference image to the AI, in order to fully customize the final output. I prefer using Blender over 2D applications, because Blender is much faster and reliable when we need to produce an image like this. I'm going to provide this image to ask the AI to draw a robot holding a guitar. The AI's initial output will look almost identical to this image, and we'll be using image to further enhance the details. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Let's send this initial result to image. By using Blender, we can fully customize the final output. From here, we'll image this result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.